pose. I told him to walk, and he just threw me off.
Oh God.
Oh, the Oreos are no, I want to go faster, but I also don't at the same time.
Go faster too early, you'll fall off.
Huh?
Go faster way too early, you'll fall off.
Exactly. I
And
don't
plus,
want to.
hey, Lynn makes them all walk first.
Well, I don't want to run at all.
That's good. We're happy to hear that. I'm
pretty sure by this time me and
Let me know if you're recording. I won't see.
Oh, there's already recording.
Delete.
I'm pretty sure by the time me, Stephanie, and Alyssa get in there and start loping, he'll be like, how you're not off the horse yet.
What? He knows what to do.
Is this his first time ever on a horse?
I think so.
Except the fairgrounds when he was.
Well,
Yeah. He goes, this is a piece of cake. So funny.
I think it's a little tired. I don't think he's used to a 220-pound person. I want to get off.
You're not even talking about it. Are you scared?
Because look, he's like this.
Here, get a little.
It's used to a 5-year-old, not a 220-pound fat person. He's like.